Did your boss ever hand you a $45,000 keycap? Yeah, didn't think so. And hey, that doesn't mean they hate you. It just means they're not on the same emotional wavelength as Insta360, the 360 camera company that gave 21 employees solid gold keycaps worth $45,000 each. That's $945,000 for one programmer's day. My boss once gave me a pen that didn't work. Their founder said the keycaps represent how every keystroke turns stone into gold. Cute idea, until one employee decided they want to fill their entire keyboard. A full 104 keyboard would cost about $4.68 million for something you spill coffee on twice a week. Honestly, I'd retire after 5 keys. Maybe the spacebar if I'm feeling dramatic. And look, I'd love to hand out gold bonuses too. But way more of you need to hit that subscribe button first.